Hi, my name's Matt. I'm at this year's Bike Shed Festival down at Lyddon in Kent. This is my calf racer that I'll be racing tomorrow. I came last year as a spectator and got inspired then to build my own. So this is my bike. It was saved from a barn about a year ago and dragged it out. And I had this image in my head for ages that was extremely hard to explain. Basically, it started life as an XS250 and it's been heavily modified now. On the front, we're running Suzuki XS250 wheels and suspension. Go up, I've got a LED halo fitted headlight. The switches, I wanted to do something a bit different. I didn't want anything on the handlebar, I wanted it all hands-free, so this is a binnacle that I made myself. So it's got all the lights, horn and start on it. And come down, I've got a fully aluminium tank that was pre-made, a Monza cap. Got the digital speedo in the centre of the tank there, just to give it a better line. And the engine has been slightly modified. It's got GS400 carbs on it with a homemade ram air effect. And then the frame had to modify to get everything to fit right. The swinging arms off a XS250 and the rear wheels XS250 as well. And coming around to the end, the rear number plate hanger is actually part of an Ikea cabinet, cut to size and shapes. The seat was this purchase ready-made to give it the finished calf racer look. Chain guard was the original XS one that I've cut down and modified, along with the mud guards. They were handmade and hand painted by myself as well. Basically, it is a proper bitzer with the dream of hopefully getting around the racetrack. I'll start up for you. Running an Alpha 41 silencer on it, be a bit period correct. Right, that was a quick tour around my bike. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to racing tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Bike Shed YouTube channel and check out more custom bikes.